How to move snaps into my eyes only. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you log into your account, just swipe up the screen and you'll be able to see your snaps. Now you can see your random snaps over here. Now if you want to send any snaps into my eyes only, all you have to do is just tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Then as you tap on that, you can just see the option of here you can see the option of hide snap my eyes only. So as you can see, there's this option. So tap on my eyes only. So after doing that, you just have to enter your password. So enter the passcode, and as you enter it, you will be able to move your snaps into my eyes only. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.